In this video, we're gonna learn how you can use Ome TV for iPhone. Once you install the app on the App Store, let's open the Ome TV for the first time, and you'll get several options to create account and login. Easiest way to create account and login is to use the Facebook option here. You're gonna make sure that you have the Facebook app on the phone and you are logged into Facebook. After that, you're just gonna tap on Continue with Facebook, or you can use any other options here. Let me choose the Facebook option for now. Continue. Open the Facebook app. It will prompt you to continue with your Facebook account. Tap on Continue. Once you're logged in, you're gonna tap on the video chat option. Third tab, tap on confirm here. I have put my phone in landscape mode, but you can use the portrait mode here. Let me make you familiar with all the functionalities in Ome TV. It has the option to select country, and you can change your country that will be shown to other people on video chat here. Go back. You can select your gender on Ome TV here. Girl, boy, by tapping on this box here. After that, if you tap on the get button, cogwheel, it will give you settings. You can change language on Ome TV. You can view the Ome TV rules, service rules. It means the chat rules. It's very important that you read all the chat rules of Ome TV in order to avoid getting banned. So make sure that you read all these chat rules properly. You can use the back camera by tapping on this button here. Now in order to start the video chat, just left swipe on this part. It will show you the name of the person and the location, age, etc. It also gives you the option to accept or reject. Hello. In order to go to the next video chat, you just can left swipe. Hello. Left swipe. If you want to stop the video chat service, you're just gonna right swipe here on this part, and you can start anytime you like by opening Ome TV. There's one more thing left, that is when you are in video chat, you can also send messages to users. Accept, and you can tap on this chat button. Accept. Hi. So that's the complete guide for Ome TV and iPhone. It's very easy to use. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.